So if you guys want to know how I create this beautiful look, then please keep on watching. So I'm gonna start with the primer, and today I'm using the Aquaholic Priming Moisturizer. Next I'm using the Sugar Face Forward Corrector Stick in the shade Peach. Next I'm going to use the Sugar Ace of Face Foundation Stick. My shade is 35 Frappe. Next I'm going to use my Sugar Magic One Waterproof Concealer. For my powder, I'm using the Sugar Banana Compact Powder. For my bronzer, I'm using the Mini Bronzer 02. For my blush, I'm using the Mini Blush 03 Mauve Marvel. Now I'm going to set my face using the Grand Finale Highlighting Mist. For my highlighter, I'm using the highlighter palette. For my eye makeup, I'm using the Too Good To Be True Dual Eyeshadow 06. First, I'm going to use the matte shade and apply it all over my eyelid and blend it with the blending brush. Next, I'm using the metallic shade as my eyeliner. To complete this look, I'm using the Metal Satin lipstick in the shade 07.